Good evening, viewers. I am R.K. Chetri, Scientific Assistant from Meteorological Department. Today I am going to present weekly weather review for the past week and weather forecast for the next 2 weeks over Sikkim state. And the outlines are as follows. Important synoptic situation observed during last week. Activities of monsoon rainfall over Sikkim. Realized rainfall distribution. Realized district-wise average rainfall in millimeters. Weather forecast for next 2 weeks and weather forecast bulletin for Sikkim state. So I would like to present the important synoptic situation over the past week. The well-marked low pressure area over West Central Bay of Bengal concentrated into a depression over Northwest Bay of Bengal off Odisha coast and adjoining areas on 22nd October 2020. It moved north-northeastwards and crossed West Bengal and adjoining Bangladesh coasts between Sagar Island and Khepupara, Bangladesh over Sundarbans in the noon of 23rd. It gradually weakened into a well-marked low-pressure area over central Bangladesh and neighborhood on 24th and became less marked on 25th October. A trough in the western disturbance ran roughly along longitude 88 degree east to the north of latitude 25 degree north at 3.1 kilometers above mean sea level on 25th October. Moreover, there was a cyclonic circulation over central Bangladesh in neighborhood on the same day. However, the western disturbance as a trough in mid-tropospheric westerlies moved away east-northeastwards on 27th October. The withdrawal line of southwest monsoon continued to pass through Cooch Behar, Sriniketan, Ranchi, Pindra Road, Mandla, Narsinghpur, Indore, Vallabh Vidyanagar, Porbandar during the period 22nd to 25th October. However, due to significant reduction in rainfall activity over most parts of the country, the southwest monsoon has withdrawn from the entire country on 28th October 2020, that is yesterday. Simultaneously with the setting in of northeasterly winds in the lower tropospheric levels, northeast monsoon range has commenced over extreme South Peninsular India on 28th October 2020. So I would like to present 3 UTC surface chart of today, that is 29th October. It was prepared at 8:30 in the morning today. Then we have 00 UTC upper air chart, part 1 of today. 00 UTC corresponds to 5:30 in the morning. Again, the upper air chart, part 2 of today. Then we have satellite image of 29th October, that is today, taken at 3:30 GMT, that is 8:30 in the morning. Next we have activities of monsoon rainfall over Sikkim state. We can see from the table that on 25th and 26th we experienced normal to vigorous rainfall over almost all the districts and state as a whole. Then we have realized rainfall distribution over Sikkim state. We can see on 22nd and 24th rainfall was observed over 1 or 2 places over the state, and on 25th and 26th rainfall was observed over most places in Sikkim state. Next we have realized district-wise average rainfall in millimeter. We can see on 25th and 26th of October, the state as a whole experienced light to moderate rainfall. Then we have actual or realized weather over various important locations. Mangan recorded highest temperature of 30.9 and Gazing recorded lowest temperature of 11.9 degrees Celsius, and Pakyong recorded highest rainfall 68.8 millimeter on a single day during the last week. Next we have weather forecast for the next 2 weeks. For the first week, rainfall Mostly dry weather over most parts of India, northwest and central India, with main rainfall over southern peninsula and northeastern states and adjoining Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha. During the second week, from 6th November to 12th November, we are expecting an increase of northeast monsoon rainfall over the southern peninsula, whereas over most of the remaining parts of India, almost dry weather will prevail. Then we come to the temperature part. Maximum temperature during both the weeks, that is from 30th October till 12th November, is expected to be above normal over northern India, Indo-Gangetic Plain and parts of northeast India, and below normal over most of the remaining parts of the country. Then we come to minimum temperature. Minimum temperature during the next 2 weeks, that is from 30th October till 12th November, is expected to be mostly below normal over the entire country except some parts of northeast India and extreme north India. So weather forecast of rainfall for the next 2 weeks. Then mid subdivision wise forecast for the next 2 weeks, that is from 30th October till 12th November. Then we have temperature, maximum temperature forecast for the next 2 weeks. Then we have minimum temperature forecast for the next 2 weeks. Then we have weather forecast bulletin for Sikkim state issued at 13 hours IST of today. So we can see that weather will be mainly dry over all the districts during the next 5 days except rain and snow at high altitudes of North Sikkim at 1 or 2 places. So our next bulletin will be issued on 5th November. So thank you so much for watching our video.